Hey, hello guys. So yeah, today is our day 3 of our finding job series that we can say. So let me discuss about today's day. So yeah, today is a day 3 and it goes well I think. I wake up at the 6:30 today, and after that I did the 45 minutes exercise and get ready, get on table around 9 a.m. After that, today I learned one fundamentals. So that fundamental concept was about React fibers and concurrent rendering. I didn't know about what is it. When I heard about it, I think it is fascinating. So let me tell you. So basically, what is React fiber is? What happened in re-rendering? Let me discuss with you what is the issue first. What happened when our functional component is rendered? Okay. So while rendering, maybe while rendering, it has one big task need to perform, and it taking lots of time, and due to this our main thread is blocked, because we know JS is a single threaded language, and due to that rendering problem our main thread is blocked and we are not able to do any sort of typing or scrolling. For avoiding that kind of issue, React fibers comes in a picture. So basically what React fiber does is it divide rendering into the small chunks or small units, also known as the fibers, and that fibers we can able to pause it, resume it, or prioritize it accordingly to renders. And let me tell you, React fibers which can not be directly edited by the or manipulated directly by the users. We need devs for that, and actually then for develop means for modifying it directly, that concurrent rendering comes in a picture. So using React fibers, concurrent rendering help us to pause render, resume it, throw it away, or prioritize it later. So using concurrent rendering we can able to do this kind of a stuff. So what happened using the concurrent rendering? Now I divide it into the chunks, and I divide the renders into the chunks. And after that what happened, if I prioritize the task. So I prioritize prioritize the task, and in which sorry and in which that the typing task should be get run first, and after that the big task, which is the heavy task causing lots of time, it can run background. So we can do that. Let me tell you, concurrent rendering doesn't introduce the asynchronicity or multi-threading. We know JavaScript is a single threading language, and actually concurrent rendering didn't block any thread or anything. It just schedule our task accordingly due to this priority. So yeah, that's how concurrent rendering run. And let me tell you, the render phases, there are two render phases. First one is a normal render phase, and another one is a commit render phase. So in our we can able to edit or do any changes in only our normal render phase, which is interruptible, and the commit render phase was uninterruptible, directly modified by the DOM, so we can't able to do any changes there. So yeah, we know that using React fiber we can able to we can able to divide rendering into the chunks, and using the concurrent rendering we can able to pause it, prioritize it, or stop it accordingly. And yeah, we know after that we can't able to uh, means modify React fibers directly. We are using concurrent rendering for that. That was the main purpose of that. And I think transition and sort of things are used for the concurrent rendering. Yeah, I learn about this topic today, and after that I move on to the DSA part. So today in DSA part, our arrays part will be started, and we take some questions. While solving that question, I learn about how, means what was the thought process when we solve the program. So we have to read that problem first, and if, let me tell you, we able to, when we read it, and after that we have to uh, get a possible approach. So then there is a one type of thing I learned today, which is a pointers. How many pointers method we can use that. There is a one pointer, two pointer means if I need to remove element, or yeah, let's take an example. I want to remove element. So when I have to remove element in array. So I need to loop it accordingly, means I have to loop that whole array. So for that I use I, which is a one pointer, and I have to choose the means store their index as well. So for storing index, I decide to take a new variable called x. So there, this is a two pointer method. So we are using two pointers here. Also we also today I do the programs of remove duplicate, reverse string, or best time to stock sell our stocks. That kind of a problem I solved today, and in which I learn about the pointers method. How can we approach our goal? And first thing, means one thing I know, that when I am able to write code on my paper, or able to dry run it, then and then I am able to code it properly. That's my thinking as well. Yeah, so writing code on paper, it is a necessary thing. Before writing, before directly coding, it is the basic thing. We have to know how its work background means in back. So that's kind of a step we had to know. And after DSA, the lunch was done, and after that I move on to the project part. Yeah, as usual, my energy after the lunch goes down. I think so because of that, because DSA and the concept part have well structured. I know what I want to do, and what I want to learn. For DSA I have specific videos. I know I have to complete this video today, or that type of video. But in project I figure out that I don't have any perfect structure or anything. So I do shit randomly and it's causing do nothing. So it's like that. So I have to structure it well. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I will try to structure my project building part accordingly. And after that, after the project building, I applied some jobs, and do the communication practice with ChatGPT around 30 minutes. And today I learned that we have to keep our sentence short, and after that take some pauses as well. After that we have to frame the sentence in a structured way. Sometime what happen, we think in between statements. That was, I think that was an necessary things. So we have to think it first, and then we have to talk. And I think 50% of fillers may be gone when we think before the talk. Actually what happened, we directly started talking, and we started that. So yeah, lots of fillers we take it. That's it. That's kind of a thing I learned today. And uh, let me tell you what are the things I am liking, and I want to uh, update in it. So I think job apply application part I may be liking in it. I have to focus on the job application part more. How can I apply jobs, as well as I have to focus on the project building part. I'm not getting that much focus toward it. I think project building part also very necessary. I have to structure it well, and try to figure it out soon. Yeah, that's it for today. Day 3, I learn lots of things, and we know we have that feeling, I am able to do it or not. But yeah, it is what it is. That feeling comes in mind until you get a better opportunity. And as well as today I didn't get any call or anything. Let I tell you, if I getting some calls or interview schedule. But yeah, I for that reason I think that job application are very necessary now. I have to apply it as much as I can. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you.